Okay, we're starting with a view of a box and a knife to open the box. So it's another unboxing of second-hand lightsaber from purchase via eBay. I'm certainly doing quite a few of these rather than new, because there's always interest in purchase. It can be made second-hand and it's can be quite a bit cheaper than first hand, as it were. Also, it's watching some channels like Darth Paradigm. I think a lot of his are second hand, which got me into sort of trying the second hand market myself. And yeah, made some good, what's the word, savings or good deals. That kind of makes the reviews a bit interesting, throwing a few of these in as well. Okay, I'm in. It's a bit of a puzzle, quite wondering how the box opens. That seems no two boxes are the same as far as where the opening flaps and things are. Ah, this is pretty well wrapped up. Oh, crikey. It's quite weighty. Yeah, no blade with this one. Got a few blades. This is JQ Sabres. In fact, what I can remember from the blurb on eBay is this was actually a private commissioning for the seller done by JQ Sabres. So this is definitely going to be something unique. Got the idea of second-hand purchases from Darth Paradigm's channel, watching that one. That's one I'd recommend. In fact, I kind of based a lot of my lightsaber content off how he does. It's, you know, sort of natural, you know, sort of just chat along while unboxing a lightsaber or reviewing it. Format which suits me, I think. Okay, we are in. Yeah, I definitely recommend that channel. And there we are. Comes with a blade plug. There's a bit of a thin neck. It's my first thin neck. Quite a long hilt. It's a nice slim hilt, quite a long one. Definitely a two-hander, this. Although I'm quite tall at 6'7", so I could swing this around one-handed. Yeah, very interesting finish. Got a cover tail wheel. Yeah, I'm reviewing this already. That couldn't be, could it? This looks interesting detail. Could have either plastic or plastic grip, or it's anodized metal. Sometimes it can be difficult to tell the difference. Let's see, I think that's definitely it. No Allen keys, but no worries, I have a lot of Allen keys. Yeah, very a different one there. Kill key. Yeah, charging port there. Oops, would have if I was pointing the camera. Well, what I'm talking about. Yeah, like a little greebly here. Just wait for the phone to unfreeze. And as I was saying, there's a little greebly here. Not sure what that is, but I have a suspicion of what it might be. I don't know if there's any power in there, so I might have to wait till the review to actually show it. But yeah, see, that's quite good colour, kind of a matte metal red finish, which is nice and unusual. So it's quite a good one. Yeah, see if I can fire it out there. It's quite big, but weight's good. Yeah, like I said, these second-hand ones, you can find some pretty interesting stuff. Might be that. No power in it, I'll have to charge it up. So I think that's all for now. No juice in there, I'll give it a charge. Okay, slight addition to this unboxing. I think there is a bit of power in there. I think. It's loud. Yeah, there's a bit of a delay there. Of course, that's coming from sleep. It's got a kill switch and a little bonus, it's got an OLED screen. Yeah, there's the battery level there. I can't remember if that's full or it's nearly empty. I think that's sort of empty, isn't it? So that must be auxiliary button.
Sound bank selection. Youngling.
This is General Kenobi.
Oh, that one. Schrodinger's cat. Or have you pronounced it? But yeah, there's CFX in there. So I think there's about the 12 of the original built-in fonts. I don't think there's a way to sort of access it to put in more fonts, but yeah, that's a pretty good purchase, I think. Bloody loud. There's a way to sort of turn the volume down a bit, but that is a super powerful speaker. And OLED screen there, that was a Brucey bonus. So I thought I'd just add that in. Oh yes, this isn't New Pixel, this is in-house. Probably Tri-cree. But I'll add more in a review as maybe a SaneFont demo. I'll do at some point later on. So I thought I'd just add that in as I found out there is some power in there. So, yeah, once again, thanks for watching. I'll make sure I edit out the thanks for watching so people don't miss this bit. So, bye for now.